Transform your Medium articles from plain text to powerful visual stories by mastering the art of creating tables. Ever found yourself with a bunch of data you want to present clearly in your Medium articles, but felt limited by just paragraphs and bullet points? Today, we're going to unlock a simple yet effective way to organize your information using tables. This is perfect for comparisons, lists, or any scenario where data needs to be neatly arranged. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're in your Medium article editor. We're going to use a very user-friendly method that doesn't require any fancy coding. The key is to leverage simple text formatting to create the illusion of a table. Imagine each line of text you type will become a row in your table to separate your columns. We'll use the pipe symbol. That's the vertical line character, usually found above your Enter key. So, for your first row, which will likely be your table header, type the first header, then a pipe, then the second header, followed by another pipe, and so on for as many columns as you need. Now, directly below your header row, you'll create a separator line. This tells Medium to interpret the rows above and below as table data. To do this, simply type at least 3 hyphens for each column you have. For example, if you had 2 headers, you'd type 3 hyphens, then another 3 hyphens. Following that, you can start adding your actual data. Each new line you create will be a new row again. Use the pipe symbol to separate the data within each column, just as you did for your headers. Continue this pattern for all the rows your table needs. You'll notice as you type, Medium often recognizes this formatting and begins to present it in a more structured way within the editor itself, making it easier to visualize your table as you build it. Once you've entered all your data, your table is ready. When you publish your article, Medium will render these lines and pipes into a clean, well-formatted table, making your content much more digestible and visually appealing for your readers. It's a simple trick that can significantly enhance your data presentation. And there you have it, beautifully organized data within your Medium articles. Experiment with different layouts and see how this simple technique can elevate your writing. Happy publishing!